Do you want to share Facebook Reels on WhatsApp? You can put Facebook Reels on WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share Facebook Reels on WhatsApp. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, scroll through your feed or go to your profile to find the reel you want to share. Once found, tap on the reel to open it in full screen view. On the right side of the reel, tap the share icon. A new menu will appear with different sharing options. From here, tap WhatsApp or WhatsApp status. Now WhatsApp will open automatically. If you select WhatsApp, choose where and whom to share it with, then tap the send icon. If you choose WhatsApp status, you can add text, emojis, or stickers. After editing, tap send. Once shared, the Facebook reel will appear on your WhatsApp status and will be visible for 24 hours.